Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this one I'll be doing the Jamaican cornbread. I hope you enjoy this one. We're gonna start by whisking 2 eggs together in a container. You can remove the eye of the egg or the chalaza. Add 2 cups of warm milk. I use 1/3 cup of whole milk and the rest in coconut milk. This is optional. You're gonna mix this well to combine egg and the milk together. You're now going to add 4 teaspoons of active dry yeast to the milk and stir well to dissolve. You're now going to add about half cup of sugar or less to the milk, stir to dissolve, and this is dependent on your desired sweetness. Now I will be adding 1/3 cup of sweetened condensed milk, and you're going to mix this in to combine with the liquid. You're going to add about a tablespoon of vanilla to the mixture and combine again. Once this is done, you're going to set aside and go on to your dry ingredients. Here I have 1 pound of flour, and this is all-purpose flour. I will be adding less than a teaspoon of salt because my butter is already salted. 8 ounces of refined cornmeal, 1 teaspoon of yellow coloring, and I will be mixing this well to combine. Once I'm over with that step, I will now go ahead and add my liquid ingredients to my dry ingredients, and I will be using my hands to form the dough. You can also use a mixer if you wish. You can add a little flour if your dough is too soft or a little bit too sticky. Once I'm done forming my dough, I will go ahead and use some plastic wrap to cover the container and leave it for about an hour to proof. Once my dough is done proofing, I will remove the cover and add it to my lightly floured surface. I will be using my hands to flatten the dough a little bit before adding about a 1/3 cup to half cup of butter onto the dough, and then using my hands to knead this. The dough will get a little bit soft, but you can add flour to get it to the desired consistency to form your balls. I will now go ahead and cut my dough into half, and each half will be cut into small sections. I will then use my hands to make these small sections into small balls and placing it onto my prepared baking tray. I will then cover this for about 15 to 30 minutes to proof again. After proofing, I will be brushing these with some egg wash, and I will be baking it for about 15 to 20 minutes or until done at about 350 degrees. After baking, I brush with a little butter. Here I'm showing you the texture of the baked product. Serve as desired. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.